Hi everybody, Conrad with whatsyourstreet.com, and I am going to show you something very simple, easy, and healthy to have for dinner. Running short on time? No problem. Rotisserie chicken from Costco, $5. Leftover rice that I made brown rice, put it in the fridge. We're going to take it out and warm it up. Measuring cup, microwavable cover, spoon, and a plate. Let's go. All right, we got a 1/4 cup of brown rice. We're gonna take that, put on the plate, microwavable cover. We're gonna put that in the microwave. And we're gonna heat that up 30 seconds at a cook power 6. While that's cooking, we got our chicken prepped. We're gonna start getting the skin off and get that ready for 6 ounces of chicken breast. Now that that's done, we're gonna do 20 seconds at a cook power 8. We got the skin off our breast, and now we're gonna get ready with a fork, get our food scale, and we're gonna get ready to weigh out 6 ounces. We've got 6 ounces of chicken breast, and that looks like a pretty decent meal for dinner. Losing over 200 pounds, you're not starving yourself. I did add a couple drops of the liquid aminos. I like that better than soy sauce, lower seasoning. But thank you very much. I'll show you some more ideas. And don't forget to visit whatsyourstreet.com.